Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this retro zoom velocity edit in the CapCut mobile. So what you need to do first is just add your dance video like this and also an audio. You can add any songs that you like, and after that just click on the video, go to style, then select the velocity category. Then in here, select the retro zoom. Click on that. Now just wait. CapCut will first detecting the music and after that applying the auto velocity edit to your clips. Okay, so now the retro zoom velocity has been applied and this is the result. Okay, so that's how you can easily do the velocity edit in CapCut Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!